Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to set up a Phantom wallet. So setting up Phantom wallet is really simple. First of all, if you do not have your Phantom wallet, head over to your app store and then you're going to be simply searching in the search bar for Phantom wallet. So let's just quickly do that. I'm going to be typing in here Phantom wallet and you can see we have it at the second place, and this is the one that we are going to be needing. So this is the Phantom wallet official application, and make sure you install it. I've already installed it and I'm going to be clicking on open. Once you open it, it will be asking you to set up your private key, and make sure to choose that. And the private key is going to be looking something, a couple of words that are going to be required to be set up, and that is going to be acting as your login to your Phantom wallet. Make sure you have your password and username already adjusted as well, and once you do, you will be inside your account and you have your tokens showing up in here, like for example Solana, Ethereum, and you can use this receive option to receive your tokens, and also you can send it if you have some balance already. Click on send, and yeah, so that's how you can easily share it and have your Phantom wallet working. So that's how to set up your Phantom wallet, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below and I will be more than happy to assist you.